This rare 1977 penny was identified to be a new discovery double die variety that collectors had no idea about until this person found this coin literally on the sidewalk and got it evaluated by experts. Now here's the reality. There's a lot of information online that tells you that you do not have a rare coin. For example, if you were to send this coin off to get graded and asked for an error, they would not give you the designation because it does not exist yet. The proper steps you would need to take is contacting an expert so they could verify that it is indeed a doubled die coin. Now, most people that are not super specific niche experts like Wexler or Dr. Wiles are simply not going to know if the coin has true doubling or if it is simply a mechanical or machine doubling. If that's a bit confusing, just understand that the person that found this coin first went to JT Stanton, who referred him to Mike Ellis, who is an expert in the field. Now, Mike wanted to get the confirmation from another expert just to verify that this was indeed a genuine double die variety that had yet to be discovered. So what ended up happening is Mike Ellis and Dr. Wiles met up at a summer seminar in Denver to verify that it was indeed a variety. This is what Dr. Wiles said. This can occur in both the multiple and single squeeze hubbing methods, though predominantly the latter. I did indeed like the coin, and it is the only 1977D double die obverse known. He goes on to list the coin as a specific variety in future books, and it is now recognized by NGC and PCGS because of the events that occurred with this coin. So if you truly think that you have an incredibly rare coin or something that is not discovered yet, you're going to need to find true experts in the field and trust them with sending your coins to them to evaluate. Now you're going to need to communicate with them to make sure it's okay before you just send your coins off. But honestly, Wexler at doubledie.com is a great resource and someone that I've personally recommended to all my viewers before. Just remember, you're literally one coin away from finding that incredibly rare variety that does not exist yet, and you need to find a true expert, not necessarily something you read online or any of these guys on YouTube, including myself. I'll admit I don't have the level of knowledge as Dr. Wiles, Mike Ellis, or Wexler, so it's gonna have to be those guys, but it's such a cool story. Every time I hear about coins like this that are found on the street, and later, even after all of the trial and error of this person sending the coin off to get graded, it comes back as not an error. But later on, when they determined that it is a variety of double die, he was able to take the proper steps necessary to get it labeled correctly on the holder. And yes, this is the only 1977D double die obverse known to date.